This is another chart that you have available to you. In addition to the metrics unit conversions, you also need to be able to convert between some common English units like pound to grams. Some of these you may be more familiar with. Over here, this is not really an English to metric unit, but this is another conversion you should be aware of. 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 24 hours in a day, 365 days in a year. Make sure you remember that. And then over here, this is another one that this is a very, very common conversion. So it's thrown on this chart because between the two charts, this is going to be one that's going to be very helpful to you also. So let's just do some more one steps. We're going to solve in this one for a centimeter. And so that is going to be equal to, we put the only thing with a number in it. And I'm just going to throw that unit down. I'm not even thinking. I know it needs to go diagonal. And then my other unit up there. And I'm going to come back to it and put the numbers in. I'll be using this for that one. And in this case, I'm solving for kilograms. 7.8 pounds. And over here is a kilograms conversion, so I know I can do it. And again, I just throw that unit down diagonally, and then I put a kilogram right there. Then I'm going to throw the numbers in. Make sure you're putting the numbers that are actually beside the units in the right places. So 1 inch versus 2.54 centimeters. And then over here, it says 1 kilogram, 2.2046 pounds. Now this actually is an exact conversion, so again you can ignore this for sig figs. This will have 2 sig figs. And then in this one, this is actually comparing something that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sig figs to something that has 2. So you're going to need to have something that has 2 sig figs. 14 times 2.54 equals 3.5, and that's, oops, I'm going to round it up. I'll write it like this for a second, and I'll show you rounding it up. 3.6 times 10 to the 1. This kind of a number where it's, within under 100, a lot of times we will just write it as 36. Both of those would be correct. And the unit that goes with those are centimeters. Because our inches, which were the same, are going to cancel out. And then 7.8 divided by 2.2046. So this one is now it says, I'm going to put a few extra numbers in, 3.538. But I need to round it to 2 sig figs, so it's those two. This one will not round up. Like I said, this one did round up. So we're just left with 3.5 kilograms.